Hey everybody, this is Jill and the SSW rules team, and we are here today to do the sprint review 104. Let's jump on the sprint review email. Last week, it's the sprint review 103, sorry. Last week, our main goal was to deploy our POC on Azure environment, and we smashed that goal. We're going to talk about it later on. First of all, let's see what was the sprint duration. It was a 1 week sprint duration with 8 man days. Hugo didn't get the chance to work a lot with us because he was busy on SSW easy leave. And Berkeley, yes, true. You will find all environments, especially the Azure one, on this table here. And let's have a look at the backlog. So as you can see, those two PBIs are related. It's about our goals, the deployment on the Azure environment. I sent you a done video. Adam, did you get the chance to watch it? Oh, you're on mute, Adam.
I would say if you haven't called me, then I haven't watched it.
Okay, all right. Do you want to watch it now?
No, we can watch it after this sprint review.
Okay, all right. So those two PBIs was to deploy on Azure. Everything went well. We had some bugs here and there, but we managed to fix them as well, such as a 404 error. Basically, that was the most important one. Let's go back to the backlog, and we're going to talk also about a Markdown issue that Chloe fixed. I wanted to talk about it because it was a previous sprint goal. Yep, Chloe, if you want to.
Yes. So this is a PBI about Markdown. We wanted to add highlight syntax, highlight support for our project. So we got some help from Tina team.
Sorry, I'm not familiar with what the problem is yet.
Oh, we want to add the highlight support.
Maybe
you want to add yellow highlight support.
Yes, yellow highlight support.
And you want it in the product of Tina?
What do you mean? Sorry.
Well, you're using Tina CMS. Do you want this feature in the product, or are you just trying to add it just to rules?
We wanted just to add this to rules.
And you don't want it for other people to use outside the rules team?
We did create a PBI in the Tina CMS backlog, but actually we got a reply from the team's member, and they just mentioned that they don't want to add these features to Tina product because this is not a convention in Common Mark.
Right, okay.
So we just want to add this to SSW rules.
Okay, and does other people will obviously want this. Is this answer pointing to an example or documentation that you could follow, or you made it up yourself?
I made it I did it by myself. There's no documentation about this, but
shouldn't there be Tina documentation?
There's an example
that says...
on the Tina docs site. That's what you were pointed to.
This one?
The first link?
That's the Tina docs code base.
Yeah, but should there be a doc on the Tina docs site that says, look, this isn't in the product because it's not Common Mark. You can implement it yourself by following this.
I don't want to do that specifically because there's a lot of things that we're not going to implement, and I'm not going to document each one. But you are able to override the default behavior. So the reason I don't want that specific thing in the product is that it's really hard to support across all the different things that Tina supports to add in that extra bit, as opposed to just rendering out a code block. But if you want to implement your own thing that overrides the code block and adds your own functionality, it is possible.
What I'm worried about is the next person that comes across wanting a highlight is going to discover their own solution because there's no doc. Just like, you know, Chloe just answered that she kind of worked it out herself.
Yeah, correct. I want to have a document there about overriding Tina
Okay.
behavior if you want to.
Okay, can Chloe add that and get you to check it?
Sure.
Yeah.
Yes. You guys write it down. Yeah,
Yeah.
You take the notes. All right. Any question? Can we move forward? Okay, cool. About timesheet data, we've got nothing there. No release yet because we're still working on POC. About AI usage, there's a little bit of change there. Hugo used Claude Code, I guess. It's because of Callum.
Yes.
And R&D, Copilot, nothing to add there. We'll change that. About the sprint retro. So what went well, we are all happy that the POC. Yeah.
So forward.
Adam, are you still with us?
No, sorry. That was,
Focus. We are at the sprint retro. So what went well, we are all happy that the POC is working on Azure. There's a lot of done, a lot of fixes as well. And Gert highlighted that we deployed on Azure quickly. What didn't go so well, we still have a PBI left about editor workflow to test on Azure. And Gert also mentioned that the line breaks PBI is taking too longer than expected. Do you want to add something, guys? No? Okay. Yeah, all good. So let's move on to the sprint forecast email.
Sorry.
Yep.
Sorry. I did want to say, when you record a done video, call me to go through it straight away.
Okay.
So I can give you
And
feedback.
what you improved?
Yep.
You can write down escalate key deliverables. You read this one. Escalate. Escalate.
Okay.
Yeah. Key.
Why is there an error? Yeah.
Because it's you in French, right?
Yeah, that's French. No?
No,
Escalate.
yeah, that's weird.
Escalate.
And key
Deliverable.
yeah. I was just confused about that error there, but yeah.
It's not in brackets, i.e. unbiased.
Cool.
It'll work.
Right.
Or done videos.
For that, yeah.
For cool done videos. I don't know.
For what?
Cool, like important done videos, not
Yeah.
the small one.
Yeah.
Cool.
Cool.
Keep cool.
Oh yeah. Okay. Yeah. Quite cool, but yeah. Okay.
And can I ask, did you get anyone to check that video after you recorded it, Gilles?
Yes. Yes.
I did.
I checked that.
Everybody.
Beautiful.
Yeah.
Okay. That's perfect.
Except Geoffrey. Yeah. But everybody here.
Even Jean?
Yeah.
Jean.
Oh, yeah.
Okay. Let's move on to the sprint forecast email. Gert and Adam had a conversation about PBI. We need to refine the backlog for the next sprint and create a battle plan to go live with SSW rules and Tina. So this is our main goal, and you will find that important PBI there. The whole team will work on that. We will refine that backlog depending on what we're gonna find, what we're gonna do there. And I added the rest of the PBI that we didn't finish this sprint.
Can you also add, before sending this, that documentation that we just spoke to Matt Wicks about?
Yeah, sure.
So
Sorry, yeah. I will create a PBI for that and add it to the sprint after the sprint.
yeah, before pressing send.
Yeah, sure. Everybody's cool with that?
Yeah, and you also need to remember to ask me for the Copilot image, so you can put it on the other one,
There's a to-do, I think.
which I'll give you.
You scroll down on the screen. You have a to-do if you go to the
Yeah.
bottom. Oh, the other one, the other email.
Yeah, in the summary.
Yeah, there's a to-do there. Go back, there you go. So yeah, there's
Yeah.
a to-do, so we won't forget.
All right. Okay. So as always, that sprint review will be uploaded on SSW Rules YouTube channel. Thanks everybody to join that meeting, and we will see you on the next sprint review. Bye.
Bye.
Thank you. Thanks, team.